In this video, I will be talking about this question: how can I write a marketing plan? Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video. Let's not delay any further, let's get into it. What kind of content do you want to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments under the video. In this video, I am going to give you advice and ideas about creating a marketing plan for your online business. When you are in the process of figuring out your target market or target audience and matching your product with your audience, this can be quite difficult to do in practice. A sound marketing plan can help you do this. Today, I want to tell you a few simple steps you can follow to help you create a marketing plan. This plan helps your business increase and reach more people. You may now be thinking, what is a marketing plan? Let me tell you. A marketing plan is a document that a business will use as a guide for advertising and outreach to any specific markets they are in. A benefit of having a marketing plan is that it helps businesses grow their reach and expand through clear and concise planning. By creating a well-organized, thought-out marketing plan can bring you to more success. At this moment, you may not know how to create one. I am going to tell you about some simple methods you can follow to build a marketing plan for an online business. The first step with your marketing plan is to state exactly what your business mission is. For example, a mission statement for your business could be to make booking travel wonderful, or it could be connecting people who are looking to learn new skills and techniques to experts that can teach whatever it may be. The thing with your online business is, once you have created your business mission, you can then go and create the mission for the marketing plan that you are going to use. Let me give you an example of a business that works to make booking travel easier for people. The marketing mission statement could be something along the lines of, get an audience of travelers, teach them about the tourism industry, and bring them onto the platform. By creating a mission statement, this will provide you with a step-by-step guide as you move forward. You can use it as a reference and refer back to it whenever. If you are a business owner who is new to the idea of creating a mission statement, or perhaps you want some help and support to build a better one, then you can find many free marketing templates online. By doing a Google search, you'll be able to find resources online which can give you templates on things like budgeting, strategy, technology, and more. Let's talk about the second step you can take. You will need to identify your ideal buyer personas. Basically, a buyer persona is the ideal types of people who you will want to attract and get into your business. When designing a buyer persona for your business, you can focus on details such as their age, income, location, and interests. When you have created a buyer persona with these personas documented and outlined, this will help you determine the marketing strategy that you will use overall. If your ideal buyer personas are people who use and engage on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn on a regular basis, for example, this will give you the data to focus your marketing strategy more on social media sites to get a higher return with your marketing. The key is to not rush and take your time when conducting research for your buyer personas, as this will have an effect on your plan further down the line. Let me now tell you the third method you can follow. You will want to define what your content is, the designs and the strategy of the content. The content and the strategy is the key work part of any marketing plan. We live in a world with many avenues for creating and delivering high quality content. So it is very important that you know and understand what is the best type of content strategy for you and your business at this point. There are a few key things that you will want to define. These are the types of content you will create and produce. This could be TikToks, YouTube videos, long-form blog posts, and this will form the content that you create. The next things you will need to figure out is how much content you are going to create and how much content you will publish and what times of the day you will publish the content and what days of the week you will publish. When you decide on how you are going to manage your content schedule, This can help you determine the budget you will use and the time allocated to create the content. Also, you will need to think about what platforms you will publish content on. There are many different options for you. You could focus on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. You will need to figure out the best home base for your content. When you do this, it will help the overall vision of your marketing plan. I also suggest that you be sure that the platforms you choose to work on can help you win and get results with your marketing efforts. You want to know that any content that you publish in terms of format, styles, and design, and chosen topics fits the platform well. When you have these elements organized, this will provide you with a blueprint on how to plan and publish your content in the best and most effective way. This content roadmap is going to support and help you on your marketing plan journey. Let me tell you about method number 4. You will need to work out and define your budget for your business. You may want to seek help and advice for this because working out a budget can be quite tricky. The questions you will need to ask go like this. How much money can you afford to invest in your marketing plan versus how much money will be needed to make the business more effective is a very important question. The last thing you want to do is overspend on your budget, and you will also want to ensure that you use any money in the right and best places to gain maximum benefits. You may find that there are some hidden costs when it comes to online marketing. These hidden fees can be often things like paid ads, freelance fees, sponsorships, or perhaps full-time hire designers. The list of hidden fees can be longer than this. I would suggest to make a list of what is really needed in the business and what is nice to have but not needed. By creating such a list, this can help you break down what is essential and what you will want to work towards. Let's talk about strategy 5. This is the part where you outline the people who you are going to work with and what responsibilities the people you work with will have. Your mission statement, a sound content plan, and your budget should be good to go at this point. The next step is for you to create and set up clear outcomes that you want to achieve in the future. This way, the work can move forward. Now, a well-organized plan can easily fall apart if there is no actual accountability or effective action taken. What this means is that this is clearly defining what people are responsible for what and when everything is due. This helps to make sure that your marketing plan will run more smoothly. The better and more organized you are, the more effective and the more impact your marketing plan can have, and this can help your business improve, expand, and grow. The next thing to do, if you want to know how to build and scale a profitable online business, then go and click the first link in the description box under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, which is the UK's leading internet marketing training company. I recommend you have a look at the online training courses available. They have courses to suit all needs and experience levels. These online courses are perfect for people looking for a new career, business owners, and all marketing professionals looking to improve their skills. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career, and provide you with the training and the knowledge you'll need to launch a profitable business from start to finish and give you the edge over the competition. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Please connect on Facebook. I have put the link to the Facebook page in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.